as we just learned from Marianne from Solimar, they are here at the Riso booth at Printing United in Las Vegas. And I'm now talking to Maggie from Riso. Maggie, before we talk about the relationship you have with Solimar, nice booth.
Thank you. Thank you. We're very excited to be here. We love Printing United. We have probably half our company is here in the booth today. Yes.
Isn't that amazing to just have a party here on your booth?
Yes, it's a great idea, right? It was Marianne's idea.
Fantastic. When I look at Riso, because I've known Riso for many years, you are, when everybody else talks about inkjet, you have been the master of inkjet for ages, right?
Thank you. Yes.
And I think that one of the things that I always liked about Riso is that you have never been, I'm saying this with all the positiveness. You've never been pretentious about being the best, but you have always been the leader of being the fastest for something that is very, very valuable for a lot of printing companies. Am I right in my...
You are absolutely right. I refer to us as the little engine that could. We don't get a lot of media attention, but we are in all of the places that you need to be in a transactional print world. So more often than not, somebody in the US or anywhere else in the world is getting a printed sample that is coming off a Riso in your mail, for a statement, you name it.
And I take that it comes down to a couple of things that I find important. One thing is that I actually think that the quality that you produce is more than just like a transactional print. That's my opinion about it, first thing. And second thing, when you see the footprint of the machines, it is just enormously fast.
Yes, well, absolutely. We always talk about highlight color, spot color, right? We're talking about just color on a statement or on a transactional bill, or even a marketing piece. And the thing for us at Riso is we can make it look very, very good. But more often than not, our customers need the speed, right? And they need the reliability. So for us, we're going to give you quality that is readable, that your barcodes are going to scan and be great on your inserters. And if you need something to look a lot better, we can certainly do it. But I think we all know that people are looking for a low-cost, affordable print that actually gets in the mail and gets out the door quickly.
And now we're talking about, of course, the mail world and the direct mail world, but I think also that you have a footprint in office environments, and also in, I would say that if you have like envelope print, because you were among the first that could print on envelopes, as far as I remember.
You're right.
And I also remember that when I saw even that if you do like black and white inkjet, even for booklets and book print, it has been a viable solution for many years, right?
Yes, and the way I like to talk about Riso is we worked on our engine technology. So our engines are top-notch. We're in our 8th generation of our ComColor series. So we've been in this for 30 years now, right? We were first to market in the United States. So now what we're looking to do is find accessories, partners. Our ripping technology has improved, because it's great that we have a very fast printer and you can do a lot of things. You can do booklets. We have a print-to-mail solution. We have all of these great accessories, but if our engines aren't reliable, none of that matters. So for us, we're just trying to expand in a way that is scalable.
And it's fun that you mentioned that, because I just spoke to Michael from Washington State University, right? And basically what he said, that the number of print they produce or letters they produce over a year is enormous. And when you look at the amount of data that needs to be processed, that could be a bottleneck. And I take that is one of the reasons why you chose to partner with Solimar.
Yes, well, listen, Solimar is the industry leader. A lot of people are still talking about PDFs and how great PDFs are, right? But we all know that if the PDF is 7 gig, it's not going to print fast on your printer. And what Solimar is able to do, that's just one feature of what they can do, but the fact that they can optimize a PDF file for us, and it's going to run faster on our printer, that makes us as a manufacturer look very, very smart.
And you want to look smart, right?
Always, 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 yeah.
So the relationship with Solimar, how long time have you had? You spoke just about that having partners and in software and hardware. And, so how new is it?
So it's about a year, but I've known Solimar. I've seen them in the industry for so long. We go to very similar trade show events, and they're a name in the industry that's very well known. So for me, it was very exciting to get them, to get the whole partnership put together, and I really think we're gonna do gangbusters.
I am 100% certain about that. Thank you very much, Maggie.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Great job.
Bye.
Man, you're good.